Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best fencing leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So today we are going in Austin, and Austin is a perfect location for finding fencing leads. I'm just going to turn this up to 25, as it's a rapidly growing city with high demand for residential and commercial cities. And there's just like a lot of land in Texas, so people have bigger properties, they want them fenced off. Makes sense. So we are going to search fencing. Um, and as you can see, our sanity check gives us some companies that'll be in our lead sheet potentially. So we'll add these, hit next. Key decisions, we want owners and founders, and we want directors and executives. We are just targeting one owner, but he might have a C-suite title, so this will cover for that case. We're gonna go to filters. I am coming at this as I'm a digital marketer. So the first filter, my golden filter I use is the Google review score. So I set this between a 3 and a 5, and this just makes sure that the company you're working with is respected and well received by its clients and customers. The benefit of this to you is that you don't want to work with someone who is not well reviewed by the people they've already been working with. Like that just sounds like a headache. So hit next to lock that in. We're also going to go to SEO or Google Maps search position. We're going to search. We're going to limit this between a 6 and a 15. So we want companies inside this range. If you're lower than 6, usually these companies already were working with marketing agencies. And as sort of the industry leaders in their demographics, they're usually like a lot harder to work with. They're fussier, their way is the right way because they've had success with what they've done so far. And if you're outside or if you're higher than 15, like, these companies just don't care about marketing. So I find this to be another golden marking filter. So we're going to hit next to lock that in. I'm going to go and deliver, just reset my data points here. So you want Google review count, score, GMB profile, GMB claimed. GMB claimed is such a crazy one because if they're in between, 6 and 15 in the Google Maps search position and their GMB is not claimed, it's almost like a guaranteed sale. Like, hey, here's a problem, you should register your Google on business, or you should register your business with Google, and I can be the solution for that problem. So great marketing intent sort of filter here or metric here. We want to look at their social media. Again, let's say they're spending marketing money on social media, but they find that it's not helping and they don't have good SEO. Like, another problem that you can be the solution for. Revenue, headcount, and data established are great because it's like these are kind of like the golden filters or golden metrics for taking your 100 good contacts that I'm getting in this scenario to 20 great ones that you can purposely go in and like put effort into reaching out and trying to make the sale. These are the ones that are going to help you with that. Ad pixels are good for showing intent, and technology filters are good for, again, narrowing down these leads to like 20 great ones, 10 great ones that you can put effort into reaching out to. And then these SEO ones are again really important for just gauging the company's needs when you go to sell them. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. We're not going to leave any additional notes. Give it a title, set your contact requires, save the draft. I always do this in case I launch my issue and then I want to stop it to change something. I'm not starting from zero. With that being said, I am going to launch my task. As you can see, it's allocating, which means it's in our researcher's hands, and you should have the lead sheet within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best fencing leads using Coldlytics. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next one.